Good morning. So it's like about 25 degrees. It's spring right now. Great day for a ride. But after that, let's do a bike check.
This is my Marin Gestalt X11 that I've been riding since March. Marin calls it the gravel bike for the mountain biker, and I couldn't agree more. I like the 440Y Pro Discover gravel bar, so I'm reusing them here again. I like the Cyclovation bar tape so much that I've recycled them too. I'm running a full GRX group set this time. This is a 42T crankset with 175mm crank arms. I like how bare bones the 8 beaters are, so I'm reusing them here too. This is my first time running a 1x11 speed. I feel that the range of gears definitely feel a lot better, and no weird jumps between gears. For the wheels, I'm doing the DT Swiss EX471 with 350T hubs. Some might say that these are pretty overkill, but when paired together with the WTB Byway 47, I think that they make a very comfortable ride for long distance. The bike also comes with a dropper seat post and a modified left lever that can actuate the seat post. Honestly, not much chance to use this unless you really go off-road. I feel like I've spoken enough about the bike, so now back to riding. There's a wide variety of terrain to try this bike on in Beijing, so if you're interested in seeing a long-term review, please subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.